SAI KIRAN Reddy and I completed my graduation in Sri Venkateswara Engineering College in the stream of Electronics and Communication Engineering in 2023 with aggregate of 8.1 CGPA. I joined Jspiders Hebbal in the month of June 2023. Jspiders Hebbal was suggested by my friend. He was post student, so he was I think he was very good at programming skills and other languages. So I asked him which coaching center was better. So he showed me the Jspiders was very best. So I joined in Jspiders Hebbal in 2023 June, and I placed in company Tech MAHINDRA with the associate role in software engineering role in the month of October. So I am very thankful to Jspiders Hebbal and all the HRs and the faculties who taught me. Special thanks to Anupama ma'am who taught me Java and programming languages who taught me Rahul sir, and web technologies by Shira sir, and SQL by Navya ma'am. So my special thanks to all HRs and other faculty who very support and who got to place me. Thank you.